morning. Energy naman dyan para, you know, dito na naman tayo sa MOA Concert Grounds, and we're going to join yung West Philippine Sea run nila, and it's 3:45, almost gone, start na ng 16K. Unfortunately, konti lang na naman ang tulog, hindi na naman tumalab yung sleeping pills. Kaya parang around mga 3 hours lang yung tulog, pero sana makatapos, di ba? Ayun, so magi-start na yung gun start. Punta na tayo dun sa starting line. Yay! Start, warm up muna tayo. Stretching.
This is common to any household with professionals. Chances are you dedicated to the West Philippine Sea Studies, aligning with UNCL and how valuable it is in their daily lives. In this critical fight for our nations are still aggressive in nature. For instance, militarized artificial reeds and shoals and Spratly Islands have been transformed into military wetlands. Things have not changed since 2019. The tiniest
magagamit natin today's run yung secret weapon natin, new secret weapon natin, Hawkeye Skyport X lang naman yan. Testing natin sa UP, doon natin na break run, break in pala, na break in sa UP, and ito ng konting mga adjustments, pero okay naman, ang bilis ng sapatos, so matitesting natin yan. Yeah!
Huwag po nating harangan ng ibang runners na magagaling sa likod. If you need to stop for any reason, please move.
Paselfie lang po. Thank you for what you do, sir. Okay, sir. Sir po. Alright!
Event series created to raise awareness. They will pull you out for your own safety. You that you are dehydrated. Remember,
Chasing the crowds away.
or our nation's sovereignty in our claimed or treasured region. My name is Os Felix Nigel. The West Philippine Sea! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Alright! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Let's go! Woo! $1K. Okay pa naman, kaya ito. Easy run. 2K. Yan, Pares muna tayo, Pares Diwata. Dami pa rin naman kumakain. Tubig muna tayo. Tubig lang. Sarap, lamig. Pa. Thank you. Inaaraw na tayo. 3.5 kilometers remaining. Feeling good. Nabutan na tayo ng umaga. Feeling good pa rin. Tangin, ang sakit sa paa. Kulang sa break-in. Feeling ko tatlong kuko po patay. Walang Gatorade, puro tubig lang, pero okay lang. Yun, may ice. Bawal magkalat. Let's go. Yan na sila, mga naglalakad na. Parang ang sarap kumain ng saging ngayon, no? Tapos malamig na Gatorade. Last 3 kilometers. Kaya natin to. Easy. Yari kayo kay Boy Dila. Hindi na naman siya, oh. Straight from San Juan ang mabasa. Last 1 kilometer. Alright. Selfie tayo, Spider-Man.
Sige, sir.
Excuse me. Kasabay-sabay na lahat dito, eh. Kaya crowded na. Hindi na maka-overtake. Half kilometer. Half kilometer. Yan na. Tanaw ko na ang finish line. Isa na naman, success. Thank you Lord. Success. Partida na, personal best pa ako. Kundi lang talaga masakit yung mga kuko ko dahil sa bagong sapatos. Pero eto na. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord, nakatapos ulit. Jesus is good. Daming tao, sabay-sabay nag-finish in 10, 16 and 5. It was a fun run. I wasn't expecting makapag-pace ako ng ganun.
10K po!
Masabi ka mo.
Thank you! Woo! Bagong medal na naman. Thank you.